everyone, welcome back to yet another vlog. We will be showing how we went to Rishikesh, which route you should take while going to Rishikesh, and one and only the best experience, river rafting. So let's get started. So you have to take the route via Chila Marg. So you can easily Google it, Rishikesh, Delhi to Rishikesh via Chila Marg. So what are the benefits of taking this route? Number one, obviously you will get to see the amazing views while going to Chila Marg. And number two, you will not get any traffic in between, no traffic jams at all, and you will be simply enjoying the journey. And you can you can just take like pictures in between and enjoy your whole journey without any traffic jams. Enjoy the amazing views of our resort in Rishikesh. So after reaching Rishikesh, we just chilled in our resort and had amazing food over there. And then the main thing, we enjoyed the night view, and that's it for the day one. So this is the boat that we will be going on, and ये रहे हमारे टप्पू और ये दिनेश टप्पू चापू एंड ये हमारे दिनेश भैया एंड ये हमारा पूरा ग्रुप है.
Guys, good morning. Welcome to the vlog. So today, new day, new adventure, and we are at Rishikesh.
और ये हमारा पूरा ग्रुप
और ये हमारी नई लाइफ जैकेट आज के लिए.
तो मैं हो चुकी एकदम तैयार अपना फर्स्ट रिवर राफ्टिंग एक्सपीरियंस को डॉक्यूमेंट करने. एंड लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज. एंड राइट नाउ आई एम 100% excited and not at all nervous. And if you see the vibe over here, amazing.
बॉडी लीन बॉडी लीन बॉडी लीन बॉडी लीन. बिल्कुल आ रहे बिल्कुल. Okay, stop, relax. Now your third rapid name is initiation.
क्या नाम है इसका?
Initiation. तो loudly 3 times गंगा मैया के चलो let's go forward again. बोलना नहीं भाई. बॉडी लीन करते रहो. बॉडी लीन बॉडी लीन. Okay, stop. Chale, go forward. Front. जाइए, एक ही पॉइंट है, आगे नहीं नहाने का, एक ही जगह है बस. हाँ, आगे नहीं कहीं. आ जाओ जाओ, ओपन है. दोनों पैर बाहर निकालो, बस दोनों पैर बाहर, रस्सी को होल्ड करो, गो जंप, बस अपना पूरा वेट है जैकेट पे छोड़ना है बस, ठीक है, बस 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 जैकेट पे दे दो वेट।
It was an amazing experience. Do not miss this whenever you get the chance. Don't be afraid. Do this and you will be so happy when doing this. And I thoroughly enjoyed doing the river rafting and I would love to do it again. So thank you for watching the vlog and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe the channel and like and please comment below. Thank you everyone.